Tonight, an attorney specializing in aviation disaster is weighing in on the aftermath of the crash.
From the investigation to lawsuits being filed, he spoke with Alexis Matthews about what to expect moving forward. Alexis?
Well, with more than 20 years of practicing aviation law under his belt, Ricardo Martinez Cid says one of the most important components following this tragedy is getting answers so that it doesn't happen again. But that process and the road to recovery is just beginning. As more than a dozen families grieve the sudden loss of loved ones, destroyed businesses consider rebuilding, and the city of Louisville starts to heal. The aftermath of one of the deadliest plane crashes in the history of UPS Airlines is expected to be complex and lengthy.
Unfortunately, it's going to take years for people to put their lives back together.
One crucial component, aviation attorneys say, are results from the crash investigation. It's being conducted federally, but it's possible independent agencies will be hired by victims' families.
They want other people not to have to go through what they went through. And what we know is our system is one that's based on redundancies to avoid accidents. So when an accident occurs, it's oftentimes not a single point of failure.
We know from the National Transportation Safety Board that during takeoff, the cargo plane's left engine fell off the wing, and a persistent ringing sound was heard on the cockpit voice recorder. Those preliminary findings were followed by a bomb drop decision by the FAA to ground all MD-11 planes for safety reviews.
This decision is not taken lightly. Unfortunately, sometimes it's not taken soon enough.
As for legal ramifications of this tragedy, the first civil lawsuit was filed. And attorney Ricardo Martinez Cid expects more to come. And rather than see it as a money grab, he offers a perspective of families seeking justice and accountability.
There is a lot more that motivates them than just the court system. But for some, money has nothing to do with it. What they want is answers.
Another big question mark is the public presence, or lack thereof, of UPS leadership following the crash.
They should be out front in the community. Do we know exactly what caused the crash? No, but we know that these were UPS's pilots on UPS's aircraft that, on which UPS conducted maintenance.
Martinez Cid's experience includes litigating the deadly plane crash in Washington, D.C. earlier this year and the Ethiopian Airlines crash that happened in 2019. In the newsroom, I'm Alexis Matthews. Back to you.